A smart plug is a plug that goes into a regular outlet and connects to your phone through an app. With a smart plug, you can plug in a regular appliance or device and turn it on or off using a phone or voice commands. Smart plugs are a good way to start adding smart technology to your home because they're inexpensive, starting at around $15. They're easy to install and set up, and you don't have to buy any additional equipment to make them work. Here's what you need: a smart plug, an appliance or device that plugs in, pick something you want to control remotely, and the app for the smart plug downloaded onto your phone. To get started, install the smart plug into a regular wall outlet, like this. Set up your smart plug using the app. Plug something into the smart plug, like a lamp, a fan, a coffee maker, or Christmas lights. That's it! Your regular old lamp is now a part of your smart home. Use the plug's app to control your smart plug remotely. Turn it on or off from another room, or across town. Set a schedule for your smart plug so your device turns on and off when you want it to. If you have a voice assistant like Amazon Alexa or Google Home, you can control your smart plug using voice commands. Hey Google, turn on the lamp. If you need help setting up a smart plug or any other connected device in your house, get in touch with us. We're here to help.